Welcome to Basic English class. In this lecture, I will teach you how to use all the parts of speech in one sentence. You can make a bigger, longer sentence by using all these parts of speech. The very first step, you have to take a noun. Noun can be a subject or an object. So instantly shift a noun into a noun phrase. For example, you took a noun teacher or boy or girl. So I will take boy. Boy is a noun, so I would say a tall boy. A tall boy, this is subject. Now you need a verb. The second is verb. First noun and then verb. I mean subject and verb. A tall boy, what did he do? Killed. A tall boy killed. What did he kill? A snake. A tall boy killed a snake. It is object and it is subject. Subject, verb and object. So we need other parts of speech as well. For example, adjective. So here it is adjective. That's okay. What is the adjective of snake? A big snake. So the sentence is quite longer. A tall boy killed a big snake. Not a snake, a big snake. Adjective, okay. Now you need an adverb. How did he kill? He instantly killed. He bravely killed. He quickly killed. A tall boy instantly killed a dangerous snake, or killed a big snake. Adverb, okay. Determiner. What are determiners? A and the, this, that, these, those, my, your, her, their. So a determiner. A determiner. A tall boy instantly killed a big snake. A again determiner. Now linking words. We need linking words. And, but, so, therefore, that is why, however, these are linking words. So we can add linking words with noun phrases as well. A tall boy and his younger sister. This is whole a subject. A tall boy and his younger sister. This is subject. Actually both killed that snake. A tall boy and his younger sister. His determiner, younger, adjective. His is a determiner, but it is also a pronoun. His younger sister. So here we used and a linking word. We can use more than one linking words, but here I'm just giving you an example how to make a small sentence using these parts of speech. Later we can convert this smaller sentence into a bigger one. Second is preposition. Where did he kill? For instance, a tall boy and his younger sister killed a dangerous snake in the kitchen. In the kitchen, whole is a prepositional phrase. I have taught you prepositional phrases in the previous lecture and noun phrases in the previous lecture as well. The kitchen, noun phrase. In the kitchen, whole is a prepositional phrase. What equipment, what weapon did he use? He used a gun. So we can say he killed with a gun. He killed a dangerous snake in the kitchen with a gun. Gun, with the gun, we can use the here, with the gun of his grandfather. Like he did not have his own gun, but he used his grandfather's gun. The gun of his grandfather, the grandfather's gun. So I'm just giving you an idea how you can use different phrase structures to make a bigger sentence. Now let me make it a bigger one. A tall boy from Germany and his younger sister who was playing in the garden. Like we are elaborating the girl, what she was doing. She was playing in the garden. We didn't make another sentence, rather we made a noun phrase. A tall boy from Germany and his younger sister who was playing in the garden. What did they do? Killed a dangerous cobra snake. Dangerous black cobra African snake. Black African snake. We are adding extra adjectives. Where in the jungle, in the forest, where behind the tree, in the forest behind the tree. So here you ended the sentence, but you can add another linking word. But the snake already attacked them. That means we added another sentence. But that poisonous snake, adding the adjectives again, but that poisonous snake had already attacked them because earlier they didn't know there was a snake behind the tree. So we used because. So let me tell you a secret how you can think about making a longer sentence. You have to keep 5 W's and 1 H in your mind, because this technique is used in the news. What happened? Who did? Where did it happen? When it happened? And how it happened and why it happened. So when you talk about the date, you can say on Sunday. Like they killed on Sunday at night after they had finished the dinner. After they had finished the dinner. So we are adding extra information. Why did they kill? Because they wanted to save their family. How did they kill? The whole methodology. First they entered there in the forest. Then they just walked slowly and moved to find him behind the tree. The snake was hiding himself under something. So this is the methodology. How? Like what, who, where, when, how, and why. So who killed the snake? What happened? Somebody killed a snake. Who killed a snake? Brothers and sisters. Brother and sister. Where did they kill? In the forest. When they killed on Sunday after they had finished the dinner at evening time. How? Used a gun. Why? Because they wanted to save their family. So this is the technique. We just had one example here. In the coming lectures, I will show you how you can add extra creativity to your writing and to your speaking. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like it, please share with your friends. Take care. Bye.